Hey y'all, it's NovaJayde Beauty back with another bomb DIY hair growth recipe. It's pretty hard to make a hot chocolate hair mask if you don't have chocolate, right? Cocoa powder is good for adding shine to the hair. It's packed full of vitamins and nutrients that's good for your hair and scalp, and it actually promotes hair growth. And it smells amazing, so of course that's a plus. Next, I'm adding some plain yogurt. I'm using Greek just to make it a little thicker and easier to apply to our hair. Yogurt is good for adding moisture to your hair. It's full of protein, so it helps strengthen your hair. It can promote hair growth and make your hair shiny as well. It's also good at balancing your scalp's pH and treating dandruff. It's very soothing on the scalp. Now I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using my hair growth oil. If you want to know how to make that, I'll link that in the cards above. And of course, we can't have mint hot chocolate without some mint. Peppermint oil not only smells delicious, it also stimulates new hair growth. It promotes the thickness of your actual hair strands. It strengthens your hair and is very soothing for dry, itchy scalps. Girl, I had to stop myself from eating this several times. It just looks like a chocolate pudding or cake batter or even brownie batter. It definitely doesn't look like something that's really going to give our hair the hair growth boost that we were looking for, but it is. That's the crazy part. And not only will your hair get a hair growth boost, but it's also just going to make your hair overall more manageable. Just shiny, less tangles, bouncy, curls more defined. It's just amazing. And who not trying to smell like something to eat? Look at that smooth, creamy, chocolatey deliciousness. Yes, curls. Yes, bounce. Yes, shine. I'm loving the way my hair is feeling and looking and smelling. This is definitely a must try.